After the tragic stampede at Bengaluru's Chinnaswamy Stadium, which left 11 people dead and over 50 injured, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah addressed the media following an emergency cabinet meeting. He announced the suspension of several senior police officers, including Bengaluru Police Commissioner P. Dayananda. Others suspended include Additional Commissioner Vikash, DCP Central Shekhar Tekkanavar, ACP Bala Krishna, and Inspector Girish from the Cubbon Park Police Station. The state government has asked the Criminal Investigation Department to take over the investigation. A one-man commission headed by retired High Court Judge Justice Michael D. Kunha will also conduct an independent investigation. Earlier, a magisterial inquiry had been ordered under the Bengaluru Urban Deputy Commissioner. In another major step, the government has directed the arrest of officials from the Karnataka State Cricket Association, the event management firm DNA Entertainment, and representatives of Royal Challengers Bengaluru. An FIR has already been registered at the Cubbon Park Police Station. The case has been filed under multiple sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, including charges related to culpable homicide not amounting to murder, causing hurt, endangering lives, unlawful assembly, and obstructing public servant. The Karnataka High Court also took suo motu notice of the tragedy earlier and registered a public interest litigation. Families of the victims are mourning their loss, and questions are being raised about why better arrangements weren't made, especially for such a large public gathering.